I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In today's class, we are going to see non-homogeneous differential equation of type 3. Non-homogeneous, actually these are all linear differential equations. Non-homogeneous differential equation. Non-homogeneous differential equation. Non-homogeneous differential equations of type 3. So what is that non-homogeneous equation of differential equation of type 3 is nothing but here. If the equation is of the form f of d into y equal to pi of x, where pi of x is a polynomial, where pi of x is a polynomial. If pi of x is a polynomial means we can use this format. F of d into y equal to pi of x, where pi of x is a polynomial. Polynomial means x square, x plus x square, or x square plus x, or x square plus 2x plus 3, like that will come means that one we can call it as the polynomial. So in this, what we will do, that procedure means first find CF, normal procedure. First you have to find CF. After finding CF, second one should be yp equal to, we will write here polynomial divided by f of d. Polynomial divided by f of d I will take. Now arrange numerator in descending powers. Arrange numerator in descending powers. Arrange numerator in descending powers. Next, and arrange denominator in ascending powers. Ascending powers. Do the division. Do the division until remainder comes. Until remainder comes. Until remainder comes. Right. Then quotient is the quotient is until remainder 0 comes. Here you have to line that one. Quotient is yp. Now you'll write y equal to yc plus yp. I'll solve two problems in this method. One should be solve d square y by dx square plus d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. For this, here you can notice that, so right hand side should be x square is there. If right hand side should be x square is there means we can take that is a polynomial of order or that 2 x square. Now how do you simplify this solution? D square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. This only I will write d square plus 3d plus 2 into y equal to x square I can write. D square plus 3d plus 2 into y equal to x square. D square plus 3d plus 2 into y equal to x square. Now, first we have to find CF. CF is nothing but d square plus 3d plus 2 into y equal to 0 auxiliary equation is m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0, a equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to 2. Now I'll write m equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Minus b is minus 3 plus or minus root of b square means 3 square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2a is nothing but 2 into 1. Now I'll write m equal to minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 8 divided by 2. You will write m equal to minus 3 plus or minus 1 divided by 2. M equal to minus 3 plus 1 divided by 2. M equal to minus 3 minus 1 divided by 2. M equal to minus 3 plus 1 divided by 2 is minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. Minus 4 by 2 is nothing but minus 2. Minus 3 minus 1 divided by 2 is minus 2. Now CF of the form yc equal to c1 into e power minus x plus c2 into e power minus 2x. Now while writing yp equal to, we know that x square in the numerator, denominator should be d square plus 3d plus 2. Now this only will write yp equal to x square divided by, so numerator should be only one term, so that is the highest power is the numerator in terms of descending powers, denominator in terms of ascending powers. That's why I'm writing this one 2 plus 3d plus d square. Now we can write 2 plus 3d plus d square. Now I'll take divisor as 2 plus 3d, 2 plus 3d plus d square as divisor, x square as dividend. Now 2x square by 2 I'll take. So the time 2 into x square by 2 is, 2 into x square by 2 is, you will get x square. And next one see 3 into, let's say I'll do here only 3 into d of x square by 2. But the differentiation of x square should be 3 into, differentiation of x square should be 2x by 2. 2 get cancelled, you will get 3x. Then d square of x square by 2. First time if you will do d square means, first time if you will do d of x square by 2 is nothing but 2x by 2. This is nothing but 2 get cancelled. Then d of x should be 1. See, first step 3 into d square, d of x square, d means differentiation. Differentiation of x square means 2x by 2. 3 into 2 to cancel means 3 into x should be 3x. D square of x square by 2. D square means for that x square differentiation is 2x by 2. That is nothing but d of 2x by 2 means 2 to get cancelled. Differentiation of x is 1. This is 3x plus 1. So if I'll change the symbol, this is minus, 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 plus x square, minus x square cancelled. You will get minus 3x minus 1. Next, again, what term you will multiply with 2? You will get 3x means minus 3x by 2. We will multiply with 2. 2 into minus 3x by 2 is nothing but minus 3x. Then 3 into d of minus 3x by 2. 3 into d of minus 3x by 2. What is the differentiation of x by 2 is nothing but x is 1. So minus 3 by 2. 3 into minus 3 by 2 should be minus 9 by 2. I'll get here minus 9 by 2. Then d square of minus 3x by 2 is 0. D square of minus 3x by 2 is 0. So now we'll subtract this. This is plus and this is plus. Plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled. Plus 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Plus 9 by 2 minus 1. What is that plus 9 by 2 minus 1 is? So you will get minus 2. That is nothing but you will get it as 7 by 2. We'll subtract this. Plus 9 by 2 minus 1 is minus 2. 9 minus 2 is nothing but 7. 7 by 2. Now 2 into 7 by 2 is nothing but what term you will multiply with 2, you will get 7 by 2 means plus 7 by 4. 7 by 4 into 2 should be 7 by 2. So this is for which second one. If you take this, d of 7 by 2 is nothing but 0. Similarly, d square of 7 by 2 is also 0. We'll subtract, we'll get the remainder should be 0. Now, quotient. What is that quotient? We got it here. We know that quotient is nothing but remainder 0. I got it. Quotient is nothing but x square by 2 minus 3x by 2 plus 7 by 4. This is the quotient. Now you'll write quotient is nothing but quotient is yp. Yp equal to x square by 2 minus 3x by 2 plus 7 by 4. Y equal to yc plus yp. Y equal to yc is nothing but we can take c1 into e power minus x plus c2 into e power minus 2x plus x square by 2 minus 3x by 2 plus 7 by 4. This is the required solution for the given equation. Now, similarly, we can take one more problem in this method. We'll take that one. Second problem. Solve d square plus 2d plus 1 into y equal to d square plus 2d plus 1 into y equal to 1 plus 3x plus x square. So solution. CF is d square plus 2d plus 1 into y equal to 0. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. M square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. Now, m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0 means what is that? A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 1. A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 1. M equal to minus B means minus 2, plus or minus B square means 2 square, minus 4 into A into C, divided by 2A is nothing but 2 into 1. M equal to minus 2, plus or minus 4 minus 4 divided by 2. M equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of 0 divided by 2. So M equal to minus 2 plus 0 divided by 2, comma M equal to minus 2 minus 0 divided by 2. M equal to minus 1 minus 1. So now Yc equal to C1 plus C2x into e power minus x. The roots are same means we can write like this. Now I want to simplify yp equal to, now yp equal to, what is the term here? 1 plus 3x plus x square divided by here d square plus 2d plus 1. D square plus 2d plus 1 yp equal to x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 2d plus d square. X square plus 3x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 2d plus d square. Now yp equal to, if you take this, x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 2d plus d square. If you take this, I have been arranged numerator in terms of descending powers. Here it is 1 plus 3x plus x square is the numerator in terms of descending powers and denominator in terms of ascending powers. Now I will divide this. If you will divide this, 1 plus 2d plus d square is there here. Here x square plus 3x plus 1 is there. Now, if you will multiply this with 1, what term you will multiply, you will get x square means x square. 1 into x square should be x square. Now here see 2 into d of x square. For the differentiation of x square should be 2x. 2 into 2x is nothing but 4x. Then d square of x square. Differentiation of d of x square is 2x. Then differentiation of 2x should be 2. Now one thing should be you will get 4x plus 2. Now if you'll change the symbols, plus x square cancel, then 3x minus 4x should be minus x. Then this one should be 1, minus 2 is nothing but minus 1. Now with 1, what term I will multiply, I will get minus x means 1 into minus x should be minus x. 2 into d of minus x. Differentiation of minus x should be 2 into minus 1, so that equal to minus 2. Then d square of minus x should be 0. This is minus 2. Now this is plus and this is plus. Plus x minus x get cancelled. Plus 2 minus 1 should be 1 you will get. With 1, what term you will multiply means 1 into 1 should be 1. So if you change the symbol 0 you will get. Then d of 1 should be 0 or 2d of 1 should be 0. D square of 1 is also 0. Now we got it. The quotient remainder I got 0. Quotient is nothing but x square minus x plus 1. X square minus x plus 1 I got. X square minus x plus 1 I got it. Now this is the quotient. Now we can write yp equal to x square minus x plus 1. This is yp. Now y equal to yc plus yp. What is that? Yc is nothing but c1 plus c2x into e power minus x plus yp is nothing but x square minus x plus 1. This is y equal to yc plus yp, which is the required solution for the given equation. In this way, we can solve any kind of problems. In next class, we can see mixed problems of type 1, type 2, type 3.